G'day, workshop update. Got my year 11s to bring a whole stack of the pallets up that I spent yesterday just docking off all the ends so they were square. And we got them kind of set out in height order so it makes it easy to get them up on the wall. This is how far we got the other day. Ooh, there. So I've just done that this afternoon. This one, this bit's still to do. But yesterday, ceiling only came to here before. Year 12 got this ceiling up in a little under an hour, so that was pretty good. We got all the main big sheets that we could get done, and then we've got to trim down sheets for these bits, which I have got some trimmed down over here. But that means that this section should get done this week. I was hopeful that we had 2 periods on Thursday, but Thursday is school photos. I've got them 2 and 3 and their photos are 4, and they don't want to get all dirty before their photo. So we'll probably have a planning day, work out that wall that we've got to build, do some measurements and that sort of stuff, but won't do something that's too overexerting for them. Our GA has said that he'd paint these walls for us if we need it, depending on how time's going. It's Tuesday, so this is Monday and Tuesday's work that's been done. Just a couple of little things done today. Finished doing these panels, so that whole wall area is done, and I've just stacked them to get them out of the way. Another little panel done over here. Gave the doors a lick of paint, cover up some of the graffiti that was on, brighten it up too, because they're not as drab as the green that was there. That's all I've got left of my slats, and I still kind of have to do that space there, which is 2 areas that size. I'm going to try and do all the way along here as well, so 3 more spaces there from the stairs across to the end where the end of the cafe is going to be. As much as the pallets seem to be travelling, like going a long way, I don't think I've got enough to finish it all. So I might have to keep an eye out look out for some pallets. I know I've got lots of pallets at home. They've kind of got a lot of other stuff stacked in at the moment, so I might have to work on getting rid of those, because I want to get them out of the yard, so I'll try and get them up here. Not any work with the classes today. It was theory day with them today, and tomorrow is photo day. I think tomorrow is going to be more of a planning day as well, because the kids don't really want to be involved in getting too dirty and sweaty. End of another week. Did get some more pallets broken down, the ones that the GA had given me. So I got those broken down and cut up, squared up today. Year 12's brought those up for me today. Year 12 also, this week, we did get up here and measure up for the wall. And you can see that's the steel gate that's going to go in place. And then we measured up for a wall to go next to it. They did that measuring yesterday, and today in their hour they got all the stuff cut up, brought all the materials up here, because they had to prepare off-site, assemble on-site. Brought it up here, assembled the wall, and now that just needs to be raised into place next to the gate. So, considering we lost out a bit with photos, it's still been a productive week. It's weekend time.